Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Omar FS. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding all beginners, showing you guys how to know the buyers, how to take your entry, and how to find out where market is actually going to be respecting so you can be making good money. So subscribe to this channel if you're new, and don't fail to watch all the videos I have on this particular channel so it will improve your winning rate on this trading industry. If you don't know anything about forex, I'm going to be giving you the guidelines and what you should know about forex, right? So firstly, you're gonna be asking yourself what forex really is, right? So if I should ask you, what do you think forex is? Forex is actually exchange of two currencies. That's the simplest way you can actually put the introduction. Forex is actually exchange of two currencies, right? So right now, how to trade this particular forex is what you should be asking me, and that is what I'm here to give to you guys. So pay attention. I'm going to be showing you guys the trade I'm running active right now. I'm actually holding trade on GBP USD, and I'm actually going to be showing you the recaps I have on gold and actually some other pairs that I have, and how I was able to catch up the buyers, to know the buyers of the trend. That is what I'm going to be breaking down on this video. Do well to watch all videos I have on this channel. It will actually help you a lot. Subscribe. So let's go over to the chart and I'll show you guys what I have for you. Last week we made about $4,000 from this particular trade, which is actually GBP USD pair, and you can see how my chart looks like. No stress, no too much thinking, just trading what I see, following the trend, right? Giving me a proper risk to reward. So if you want to learn the particular way I trade, the particular move, how I find out the exact place market is going to be playing, you better just join the link I'm putting on my description, and pay for mentorship and grab it immediately and start making money for yourself as well. So like I said earlier, that this very trade gave me $4,000. These very two trades right here gave me $4,000 because I took it back to back last week, right? So after then, you can see I didn't have any other trade right there, right? I didn't have any other trade. No matter, I wanted to take a trade right here, but I didn't later take any trade right there, right? Because I was okay right here and I actually have somewhere to go around then. So I didn't later take the trade right there, right? So what do we see right here on GBP? GBP USD, we are bullish from time, and some for a moment we have a little pullback to continue the trend to the upside. Am I right? So how I caught this trade was that from the 4-hour time frame, we are actually bullish, right? So you can see right here we have been bullish. So all we should be looking out for is to buy the market, right? But for a certain moment, we have a breakup structure here, equity sweep, right? And we have an inducement right here, right? So market needs to come down to this zone before we take a buy to the upside. Though, so knowing that on my mind, what I did out of there, markets have not retested back. We were around this zone. Market is trying to like play a little prank by pushing all without getting down here. So I already know that market is trying to retest, so we can have the bearish pullback to continue the trend to the upside. So look at how I catch it. You can see here after the sweep of the candle, market rejected. Then we have where we can mark out as a point of view right there. I can see the first candle retested there and rejected it. Second candle didn't even get to the zone. Third candle rejected and crashed heavily. Then having it on mind that market pulling back right here is a nice time to shoot a trade. Then that was when I took my trade from here, holding it, giving me 1:16 right there. So this particular one gave me about 1,500. Are you getting me? 1,500, and these uh this very one here gave me around around 1,700, but I withdraw that. I withdraw some money from it. So totally, what I later recovered after withdrawing my money was 2,000, 4,000, 4,000 something. I withdrew earlier before trading the next time. Like I withdraw a little before continuing the trend to TP, giving me around $4,000. So this very trade gave me $4,000 apart from the profit I took earlier from it. So that's what I'm going to be showing you somewhere around the ending of this video, right? Okay, so this is how I caught it. I caught the pullback and the continuation, right? But I didn't go that much for the continuation. I just target around 1:21, and it was nice, nice move, and actually good. I thought in my channel I actually have a video that shows the bias of the trend. In case you want to know how I catch this, just knowing the bias of the trend can give you a proper risk to reward, right? Because it will actually show you and tell you the main zone you can actually buy or sell from, right? Which is what I'm saying, that if you're finding it so difficult, you can actually follow us up on our WhatsApp channel and get signals from there. And as well, the same time, you want to be doing it yourself without signals, you can actually buy courses. It's just not that course, that's just around $150, which you can afford, right? So right here I was actually trying to get another trade here. Market was around here that time, but due to the market have actually given us a first tip pushing up this way, I lost it. I thought that market that have actually continued the trend, so I closed my system, went out for fun, coming back noticing that market tapped in, continued the trend, and market pushed very much heavily. If I should calculate this pip here, this market will get to around I think 50 to this market will give us around 1:100, 1:150, right? If I'm not wrong, right? 1:150, right? So that was how I catch this trade. Very nice one, and I thank God for understanding how this market works, right? And we actually have news yesterday. That's why we have a strong bias like this, like market moving so perfectly to the upside continuously right there, right? Okay, so I'm gonna be helping you guys analyze what market is going to be doing by next week, which is from Monday. So we need to go over to the weekly right now. Let me show you guys what is going to look like, or what we should be expecting from this very pair right here. Or if you have any other pair you feel like you want me to talk about or run a share for you guys, I can actually do that for you. Okay, so on a weekly time frame, you can see what we'll have here. A market that's actually being on uptrend, having these candles right here pushing up is actually an uptrend. And apart from noticing that the candles are pushing with bullish candles, we are actually on the short time trend, right? Uptrend. And if we shoot like this with the price action, we are consolidating right here. So finding out what this stream means can actually simplify the trend and continue the trend from here, because this was a zone, support zone, and market started reacting from there. And if you didn't catch up any trade from here, it means you have not actually learned how to trade. So right now we're on a new, the last week just closed, and then after the close of the last week we are expecting a new week, right? So expecting a new week, we need to go down to the 4 hours and start making our analyzing from the 4 hours. So you can notice that this is the 4 hours high, and this from this zone to this zone is actually 1 week last week they just passed. So what we need here is this, something just like this. Market, we're expecting it to open by Monday. If you closed above this range, we are going to be looking out for buys. If market closed below this range, it means we're going to be selling down to these blue lines right here. Just simple as that. So if you come down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see what it's looking like exactly right there. So what we should be waiting for in the 4-hour time frame, once the market move open from the daily, which is Monday, is either we'll have a shifting structure, then a little pullback. Pulling back will go back to the 1-hour time frame, then look out for entries on the 1-hour time frame. Right? So if market should shift structure in the higher time frame, which is 4 hours, we're going to be having candles closed below this row, then reject sell into the high, then will sell down, just like what we'll have right here. Just that a little different. This one is just a pullback catch because we swept the low closed inside the higher time frame. So the pullback, we're just expecting a sell, a little sell. So the same thing how it's gonna be happening here. So if it didn't happen here and it closed above, we're gonna be using this to continue the trend up. So I believe this video helps a lot, and you want to take or learn the mentorship. You want to learn the course, buy the class, and buy the courses, sorry, and join my class and learn how it works. Just $150, you are good to go. $150, I give you highest 3 months, you're gonna be profitable, right? So thank you, and subscribe and join. The link is gonna be on the description. Don't fail to join, so it will help you a lot.